Hey guys, get a chance to win some free money when you follow these instructions. And make sure you be the first commenter in all my videos to type Grind Family. And once I get to 6,000 subscribers, you could be the lucky winner. So please click on the link below. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $2 every 60 seconds instantly. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So you need to do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. Now, this method is available worldwide. All you need is a computer or a smartphone and an internet connection. And guys, please follow those instructions so you can get a chance to win the free money. Click on that link down in the description or the comments below. And please watch the video all the way to the very end, because something is going to pop on the screen and you need to type that in the comments below, because it's all going to help you to get this free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. All right, guys, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called User Feel. Now, I have talked about this website before in the past, but it's been a while. But since it's a new year, 2021, this is one of the best usability testing websites you can make some good quick money on. Now, if you don't know what usability testing is, you're going to find out right now. So UserFeel is a user testing tool that gives you videos of real users speaking their thoughts as they use your website or app. So you're going to be the tester, guys, and you're going to be looking at websites and give your thoughts about their websites, because there are companies out there, they're just getting their website up and they want real people to give their thoughts and ideas and opinions about their websites so they can make their website the best experience for the customer. So once you come here, you're going to click on here where it says to become a tester. It's going to take you to this page. So let's go ahead and read how much you're going to get paid. So become a tester and earn $10 per test. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes. So that's about $2 a minute, guys. It's completed with your home computer or smartphone. So you can use your home computer or smartphone. So you just read the following instructions and watch the example video to understand what our customers are looking for from a tester. So let's go ahead and click on there and just look at a little bit of it.
So I'm on this website here, BSB. It's asking me to select my country and language, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. The first thing I'm noticing is this sale up to 50% off, so that's going to be the first place that I look. That's always something very eye-catching to me when the website mentions a sale right off the bat. That's usually where I look first for things. I'm noticing this is a fairly extensive sale. They've got a lot.
Okay, guys, that's all I'm going to play on here. So you get the idea of how it works. So that young lady was just giving her thoughts about the website. She was clicking on things that she liked on the website, and that's about it. And hers didn't really take that long. Some of them do take longer than 10 to 20 minutes, but hers looked like it took like 4 to 5 minutes. Now, let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more about this website. So what equipment do you need? And like I said earlier, all you need is a computer. You can use a Windows or a Mac. And you need to have a good external microphone. And let's see what else it says here. Should I use my real name and address when conducting a test? And no, you don't have to do that. You can use a fake name. And let's scroll down here and learn a little bit more. Okay, what is the qualification test and why do I need to take it? So qualification test is the initial test each tester needs to take in order to verify that they have a microphone and that they can speak their thoughts while completing tasks. So you got to have a good microphone, guys. So when you're giving your thoughts, it's loud and clear. So that's the qualification test that you're going to have to take. And that's real easy. All right, let's scroll down here and see what they don't want from a tester. So just read what the site says. They don't want that. Say everything is okay. They don't want that. Show off how good you are and how easily and fast they can complete the task. No, they don't want that. Flatter the site. They don't want no flattery. And be beyond the scenario. Go beyond the scenario or not perform the required task and perform the test like an expert. They don't want all that. But this is what they do want. Perform the required task according to the test scenario. Speak loudly and clearly into the microphone. Perform the test in a quiet place. Continuously explain what they are doing and why. Say what confuses them and what attracts their attention. Propose things that would help them perform the required task. Provide useful comments. Thoroughly answer the questions in writing at the end of the task. So that's what they do want, guys. That's pretty easy. All you have to do is just follow these simple instructions and get paid real quick. Now, how do I get paid and how much? So for each task you conduct after initial qualification test, you get paid $10. Like we said earlier, you receive payment after approval. Now that's the only thing, guys. It takes about a week. So it takes about a week for you to receive either PayPal money or Amazon gift cards. So that's the only thing, guys. You got to wait a week. But you're going to get paid some real good money. You can get paid probably for 3 or 4 tests by then. Okay, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this site. So if you want to go ahead and get started, just go to userfield.com/tester. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, thank you again for tuning in. Please, guys, type this number that's going to pop up across the screen. It's going to let me know that you watched this video all the way to the very end. It's going to help me out, and plus it's going to help you out when I get to 6,000 subscribers and I pick somebody who's going to win this free money. So type that number that did pop up on the screen in the comments below. All right, guys, road to 6,000. Let's get there. Grind family, we can do it. We're going to the top. We're going to keep going and we're not going to stop. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.
Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah.
grind on. Yeah, get your grind on. Yeah, get your grind